head to the spot, man. Get old T Roze over there. Got Gio right here. Ooh, Gio. Okay. This Mustang camping up there in front of Gio. That mug there is crazy. That's crazy. That's real crazy. What in the world going on? All right. Did y'all see that? That Scat Pack or whatever Mopar model that is hopped the whole curve, dog. Jam all the way packed, man. Jam packed. Y'all see we're at this second spot, man. It's pretty lit, man. There's like a lot of stuff going on, you know what I'm saying? It's all good though, man. This 2020 Toyota Superman, the GR Superman. Y'all see this thing. GR Super. Yes, indeed. You got the GR Super. What about this thing? Y'all see everybody up there? God dang! I ain't see all them. Look at all this water though.
Hey man, shout out my boy Zay TRD.
Hey man, subscribe to the channel, man. Give me some good old 1,000 subs, man.
Yes,
subscribe to DreamChasin Gio, man. If you're watching, subscribe, hit that like button, you know what I'm saying?
Indeed, man. We out here. They out here. We out here.
Yes, sir. out here, man. Y'all see it, boy. Cops everywhere. Sir. Yes, sir. Get shut down. I just chill, you know. Let all the crazy people, you know, leave first. Cause what happened is when people start panicking, they have so many wrecks. So I'm about to just chill in my car. They acting crazy out there too, so I'm just chilling, you know. So I'm about to just be in the crib at my car, you know what I'm saying? I said my crib. I'm about to be in the car, you know what I'm saying? Chilling, you know. Cause yeah, look at all them cops though. I can count. Let's see, one back. Yeah, two back there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cops, and then one behind me, 9. Escorting everybody out, you know what I'm saying? That's a lot of cops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't even count no more. That's a lot of cops. A whole lot of cops. Let's see, 2, 3, 4. We got a tow truck. Ooh, they about to get somebody. They ain't get me though. 2 over there, like I said. All these cops, man. Got a whole lot of cops. A whole lot of cops. A whole lot of cars trying to leave. It's a whole lot of cops. You really can't count how many cops it was, but you know what I'm saying? There's a whole lot of cops, man. They're about to force them to go. They better leave. I got tow trucks, everything. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. You can't make this up. It's one man for y'all. It's crazy. Y'all see all them cops, man. It's crazy. They still coming in. Yeah. Still rolling in. Panic. I don't know what's going on right now. Honestly. People doing burnouts and stuff. Oh man. Helicopters on this, man. That's crazy. Got the helicopter. That's crazy.